With this video, I was able to make 6K in 48 hours by getting over 1 million views. The best part about it is, I did nothing. All has been done by AI. Let me show you how. Before we start, go ahead and press that button, my brother. It's been a long day. Let's go. First things first, define your channel's focus. Determine the specific aspect of AI that you want to cover in your channel. This could include AI tutorials, machine learning, AI news, AI in specific industries, or AI applications in daily life. Having a clear focus will attract a target audience interested in AI-related content. Then, plan your content. Outline the topic you want to cover and create a content plan. Consider the format of your videos, such as tutorials, discussions, interviews, or demonstrations. It's helpful to organize your content ideas into a content calendar to maintain consistency and engage your audience regularly. After that, gather AI-related knowledge. Educate yourself about AI by studying online courses, reading books, following industry experts, and staying updated with the latest AI trends. Building your knowledge base will enable you to create valuable and accurate content. Acquire necessary equipment. Invest in quality equipment to produce high-quality videos. This may include a camera, microphone, tripod, and lighting equipment. AI is not directly involved in this step, but having good production quality will enhance your viewers' experience. Utilize AI tools for video editing. Use AI-powered video editing tools to enhance your videos. These tools can assist in tasks such as automated editing, noise reduction, visual effects, and even adding AI-generated elements to your videos. Create engaging thumbnails. Leverage AI-based tools to design captivating thumbnails. These tools can analyze your video content and generate visually appealing thumbnails that grab viewers' attention. Optimize video metadata. Use AI-driven keyword research tools to identify relevant keywords and phrases related to your video content. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This optimization will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. Publish and promote your videos. Start uploading your videos to your YouTube channel. Share your videos on social media platforms, relevant online communities, and AI-generated forums to increase visibility and attract your target audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to subscribe and share your videos. Building a community around your channel is crucial for long-term success. Analyze performance with AI tools. Utilize AI-based analytic tools provided by YouTube or third-party platforms to gain insight into your video performance. Analyze metrics such as views, watch time, audience retention, and engagement to optimize your content strategy. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and consistent effort. Be patient, my brother. The best is yet to come. Continue learning and adapt your strategies based on audience feedback and trends in the AI field.